Welcome back to Marketkeys. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video, but life happens. Today I'm just going to show you guys what's been happening with my indicator that I've developed. So, again, this indicator is called the Marketkeys Trend Finder. And the only thing it does is it gives me alerts when a particular trend has started on a particular currency pair. Now today was very active, I might say, because today I got a few entries on GBP CAD and GBP USD and also GBP AUD. So what I'm going to do is show you the trades that I'm in right now. I think you should be able to see it right now. Yeah. So let me show you the entries on GBP AUD because this was the first trade that I entered. And let me pull up my chart here so you can see it as well. So this is the sell signal I got on the 1 hour chart. I actually got in this trade very late, so this is not my best entry at all. Let me go to GBP CAD. So this one basically just started. This sell trend basically just started on GBP CAD. Let me go to the 1 hour chart so you can see that I've been just to show you that I've been in these particular trades for the past 4 or 5 hours. And the last one I have is the GBP USD trade. Okay. Now today GBP USD has been a very difficult pair to trade because as you can see it didn't give me an accurate signal on this particular trade, so I actually had to go down to the 15-minute time frame to trade GBP USD today. So the two trades that you see here were taken on the 15-minute time frame and also on the 5-minute time frame. So I got in here and I also got in the trade here. So I'm just waiting to see if I'm going to continue getting more signals and stuff like that. My target for GBP USD is definitely down here. This is my target zone. Let me show you my target zone for GBP CAD because I like how GBP CAD looks. So yeah, my target for GBP CAD is all the way down here. So I'm going to hold these trades until Friday and let you guys know how they play out. All right. So yeah, going good so far on this account, guys. And remember, if you do want access to this indicator, you can just send me an email. My contact details are below. And also you can go to the Telegram channel that I have set up and you'll be able to reach out to me from there or see any updates that I make on this indicator and also my future videos. All right, guys, so take care until next time.